about for the WB. So the first thing you need to do is to click on settings and make sure you set it to your WhatsApp, the type of WhatsApp you're using. So that's all for that. Then you go back to home. So you're going to click on create campaign. Then you click on this pick from contact books. Pick from contact books. Then first thing to do, you have to pick them 10-10 since you are making use of free. So you have to pick them 10-10. So you are going to create a campaign of about close to 100. So you can only make use of 10. So finish. Then you save it as 1. You can save it as 1. So you're going to be create camp 1 camp 1. So we are going to be making use of at least 200. That will be about 10. So exit this. Don't send message yet. So you're going to click on new campaign again. So you're going to add the same procedure. You're going to click on the next 10 after the first 10. So the first 10 will make use of us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make it starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to finish it again. Save it as camp 2. So I'm going to do it up to about 20. I know it's a bit stressful, but I have to just do it. So you'll be able to send personalized broadcast message to them. You'll be able to send personalized broadcast message to them. So you can start sending. You can start sending. So you need to do your settings. Make sure all this is set. Okay, I think it's not going through. So just click on this 3 dash at the left hand corner. Click on it and click on send bulk message. So you are going to write your message. So the first message you are going to type is I. Then you're going to click on this name template. You're going to click on it and then you type your message I. How are you doing? Interest. Yeah, good. I've been so you are going to start out with this first. So the first message you're going to type will be this. So you're going to send a message. You understand? So you're going to send that or just use this. I will give you the formats for this. So to bring name this up. I hope you are in family are safe. I hope you are taken care of. So blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to edit some parts here. As for me, I've been holding seminars. As for me, I've been holding seminars to raise to help men or to help people to stand to help people. So just edit it. I've been doing seminars to help people, most especially during this economic crisis. If you're interested, I'm currently holding a seminar on how to consistently generate cash online with online marketing or with affiliate marketing. If you're interested, let me know so that I can send you the workshop link. So you can just tweak it into yours. Interest good help your family. So you can just edit it and check it into yours. So at the midpoint, so you are going to be adding those name templates. So to make them like you more, so that is the main reason why we are doing all that. So let me send it so that you can see how it is. So you're going to be sending to those campaigns. I have about 3 campaigns here. So I'm going to send, let's start from the first campaign. So you're going to be seeing it. Can you see it? Can you see the name? Can you see the name? Can you see it? Ladu, I Dino, I. So immediately they reply, just make use of a quick reply and send them the group link. So that is just the way it works. As you can you see the magic? So that is just the way it is. So you can send it all through your campaign. So that's all.